In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a message in Slack. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Pinning messages in Slack can be super helpful for keeping important information easily accessible. Let's dive right into the steps on how to do this. First, start by finding the message you want to pin. Hover your mouse over that specific message, and what you'll see next is really important: the three dots icon, also known as More Actions. This icon will appear on the right side of the message. Just give it a little click, and this will open up a drop-down menu filled with options. In the drop-down menu, look for Pin to Channel. Go ahead and click on that option. Once you do, you'll see a banner momentarily appear, confirming that your message has been pinned. It's as simple as that. Now let's talk a bit about what this means for you and your team. When a message is pinned, it serves as a useful reference point for everyone in the channel. Other team members don't have to sift through the chat history to find that vital piece of information anymore. It's always just a click away. Now, one of the great features of Slack is that anyone in the channel can view all pinned items anytime they want. If you look at the top of the channel window, you'll find a Pins tab. Clicking on that tab will reveal a compiled list of everything that's been pinned. It makes it super easy to access important announcements, crucial links, or anything else that's worth keeping at the forefront of your conversations. So let's recap the steps briefly. First, hover over the message. Second, click on the three dots icon for more actions. Then select Pin to Channel, and voila, you've successfully pinned a message. Finally, just remember to check the Pins tab for a handy list whenever you need it. And that's really all there is to it. Pinning messages in Slack can streamline your conversations and keep vital information front and center. Whether you're coordinating a team project or sharing important updates, pinned messages ensure everyone stays aligned. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Your support